have in my hand the 3.5mm audio wall plate module. So the idea of this is to give a modular format where we can have a connection on a wall plate and just be able to push a 3.5mm cable directly in here, a connector, and run it out. What we'd use it in conjunction with would be possibly a wall plate like this, so that these comes in singles, doubles and quad modules indeed, and probably much wider range as well, but that's what we currently stock. So I'm just going to leave that there for a second. So we can see the basic design on it. There's a lip on one end and the other part then just clicks in after it and holds the module in securely. So the alternative to using something like this would be if we had a remote 3.5mm cable we were trying to run, we could run it straight through and out to the point where we need it, but then we mightn't need it at a particular moment in time, plus it's not going to be a neat finish on it. The idea with this is we'd run the cable terminated in the wall by simply pushing it directly in here, and then what we're able to do is we're able to just leave it, and when we need to connect in, we can connect directly off it. So what I have in front of me here then is, I'm just going to do a quick demonstration how to use this. So I'm just going to drop this cable directly in, and then we're just going to push the lip side down first, and then on the far side where it clips in, we just apply pressure and it clicks directly in there, and now we have our finish. Now as you can see here, this is probably a little bit large to fit into, we'll say, a standard back box like here. Maybe it could, but often what you'll be doing is you'll be feeding it directly back into maybe the cavity in the wall. They'd just be connecting it in there. So it's really popular in terms of the general design of the modules. The more popular ones in the range would be something like the VGA, the HDMI or the twin HDMI, there's RCAs, so it's quite extensive there, and all the accessories like the back plates and the face plates, they're all available as well. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 3.5mm audio wall plate module.